The Smart Airway Adult incorporates smart features and sensor technologies to provide real-time feedback to users training in airway management. The Smart Airway app includes 3 training modes. The Instructor-Led Assessment. Instructor-Led Assessment mode allows instructors to modify scenarios and assessment criteria based on the user's level of experience. Pre-theory questions can be included before examination of technique and marked accordingly. Quantitative data is generated from the app, and the time-stamped video debrief feature allows for one-to-one feedback post-scenario, ensuring a safe and supportive learning environment. A certificate of completion is awarded at the end of the assessment. A number of instructor tools are available to customize the learning experience. The Assessment Manager allows instructors to create custom assessment scenarios with full flexibility on the title, description, objective, and procedures involved. These can be saved for future use during instructor-led assessments. Certificate Designer enables the creation of custom certificates for your students once they have completed a session using the assessment mode. Instructors have the ability to change the logo and color to match your institution, as well as change headings, scenario names, key scores, and statistics. Limit Editor allows instructors to create new custom limits for each feature, narrowing or widening the level of difficulty for their students. These can be named and saved for future use in assessments, self-directed training exercises, or during practice mode. Assessment History. The instructor has the ability to review and grade past assessments carried out by students. This will allow the instructor to review their students' performances as they please, structured in one easy-to-access location. Earn CPD points while mastering airway management. Realistic, hands-on training for professionals. For more information or to speak to a product specialist, email info@trucorp.com.